Today we will understand how to get the third latest created record on the any table. So for this example, I'm actually taking problem table. Okay. So the answer for this question is actually, if we have to get the latest created records, we have to use a function that is actually order by descending order function. Okay. So if we use this function now, what happens is that it will actually give you the latest created records. Okay, so it will actually give you the latest created records. So to get the third latest created record, we have to use a function that is actually called choose window function. Okay, using choose window, you can actually get the third latest created record. So let us say if you want to get the fourth latest created record or 10th latest created record or 20th latest created record, so you can actually get these things using choose window function. So we will actually see a practical demo here. I'll actually explain the same scenario in the in my PDA. You guys can see how exactly I am doing here. So see here. So there are actually 25 records on the problem table. So there are actually 25 records on the problem table. So see here, these are the latest created records. Okay, if you see, if you order by here, these are the records creator which were created long ago. Okay, so if you see here, these are the latest created records. So from the latest created records, whatever comes under third record, so I want this number. Okay, I want this number. So from the latest created records, whatever comes as third record, I want this record number. So that is what I'm actually going to get it. So for that, to show you a demo, I'm actually writing fix script here. Okay, so I'm just clicking on new here. So here I'm actually writing, so glide record where here equal to new glide record. So we all know glide record is used to do CRUD operations. So to create the record, update the record, read the record, and to delete the record as well, we use glide record. Okay, so gr dot order by descending order. So this order by descending order will actually get the latest created records based on the field. So latest created records means we have to keep created field. Created field name is actually syscreated on. Okay, gr dot. So we have to use a function called choose window. Choose window will actually let you select third latest created record. See, in between second and third record, whatever comes under second and third, so we will be getting the third record. So gr dot query here, if a record exists, gr dot next. So we are going to print the number of the respective problem here. Okay, so now I'm just clicking on save here. If I execute it now, if I run the fix script now, it will actually give you the third latest created record. So the third latest created number is that ends with the 00012. See here, if you notice here, 00012 is the latest created record, third latest created record. So now for the time being, if I create a new record here, okay, I create a new record here. So here, what is the third latest created here now? What is the third latest created here now? Third latest created record is actually 00014 is the third latest created record. So if I execute it now, it has to give third latest created record. See, 00014 is the third latest created record. So likewise, if you want to get 10th latest created record or 20th latest created record or 15th latest created record. As per your customer requirement, you can actually get the latest created records. Okay, hope you guys understands. Thank you guys.